If one were to undertake a text search for the phrase Ani Hashem throughout the Chamisha Chumshei Torah, one would find that this phrase is recorded twice in Sefer Bereshit, 8 times in Sefer Shmot, 14 times in Sefer Vayikra, twice in Bamidbar and twice in Devarim. The use of Ani Hashem in Bereshit comes by way of an introduction and identification to, in Bereshit 15, Avraham, and in Bereshit 28, the very first time that Yitzchak received a revelation from HaKadosh Baruch Hu, midway along his journey to Haran. And for this reason, Rashi offers no commentary to either of these two instances in which God introduces himself as Ani Hashem. The use of the term in Sefer Shmot, Perek 6, is somewhat puzzling, in that as early as the incident of the burning bush, Shmot Perek 3, there had been this communication between HaKadosh Baruch Hu and Moshe Rabbeinu. A communication that was ongoing throughout Perek Daled and Hey. And then as we come to Shmot Perek 6, after Moshe's attempt to release the Jews ended in failure, and to which the response of Hashem is, Ata, now, Tireh asher e'aseh leParo. You shall be witness to what I intend to do to Paro. In other words, what has happened up until now has been part of a master plan, the negative consequences notwithstanding, for which I, God, will begin to flex my muscles. Ki biyad chazaka yishalchem, or biyad chazaka yigarshem mi'artzo. And then God goes on to state in Pasuk Bet, Vayomer elav ani Hashem, which begs the same question that we ask with respect to Vayikra 18. At face value, there was no need for God to introduce himself once again to Moshe Rabbeinu in light of the constant communications that had existed between himself and Moshe, recorded in the previous 3 prakim. In response to this textual difficulty, Rashi comments that the Ani Hashem in this instance is not an introduction, but code for Ne'eman l'shalem sachar tov, I can be trusted to repay a reward, l'mithalchim lefanai, to those who walk in my ways. Rashi then goes on to state, U'b'loshen hazeh matzino shehu nidrash bekama mekomot. This understanding of the term Ani Hashem is interpreted and can be applied to many instances in which the term Ani Hashem is recorded, both with respect to punishment, Ani Hashem ne'eman li pareya, kishehu omer etzel onesh. When the Ani Hashem is mentioned in connection to a punishment, on account of a violation of Torah law, the implication is that God can be trusted to carry through with his threat and hold the individual accountable. Ukeshehu omer etzel kiyum mitzvot. Conversely, when the Ani Hashem is mentioned in connection to the fulfillment of mitzvot, it implies that ne'eman litein sachar, that God can be trusted to reward those who fulfill the mitzvot. Which brings us to Rashi's commentary to Vayikra 18, and the first in a series of 9 questions that the Rebbe in the Sikha raises with respect to this commentary.